The Barreto Manufacturing 30SG Stump Grinder is a mainstay in the lineup of Barreto tree service equipment. Using our reliable track drive platform, the 30SG features a hydraulically driven cutter wheel, fitted with 700 series green teeth and driven by a 31 horsepower Briggs Stratton Vanguard engine. The engine is coupled to a gear pump, which delivers fluid to a piston motor that drives the cutter wheel, while the lift and swing are supplied with fluid from a second auxiliary pump. The tracks are driven by independent hydrostatic pumps, and counterbalance valves on each track prevent the motor from slipping while the cutter wheel is engaged in the cutting process. The track drive increases maneuverability around the job site, making this an incredibly efficient piece of equipment. And like all Barreto manufacturing equipment, the 30SG is safe and easy to use. The cutter wheel operation and articulating arm are operated by controls mounted on the console. The cutter wheel is activated by placing your left hand on the handrest and then pushing the cutter start button. Back and forth movement across the stump, as well as the depth of the cut, are easily controlled by handles on the console, allowing for carefully controlled movement of the cutter wheel as it reduces the stump to chips. Manufactured in the remote mountain community of La Grande, Oregon, the Barreto Manufacturing 30SG Stump Grinder is proudly made in America by professionals that take pride in making the highest quality equipment. From the laser cutting of the parts out of American steel, to the welding, powder coating, and the final assembly, Barreto's professional staff makes every piece of equipment and tests it before loading it onto a truck for delivery. Barreto Manufacturing is a company that stands behind its brand as one of the innovators in landscaping and tree service equipment.